As COVID cases surge now nationwide, the CDC says it's time to go back to wearing masks. Experts say the spike is hitting the unvaccinated hard, and masking guidelines need to be put back into place to help reduce the spread of the disease. Here are the specifics. In areas of the country with high COVID transmission rates, the CDC says everyone should be wearing a mask in public indoor settings, regardless of their vaccination status. And students and staff K through 12 should be wearing masks in school. All this as officials urge everyone across the country to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
These are rules that states and local governments will have to decide on going forward, and some areas of the nation are worse off than others. So what does that mean for Monroe County? Well, the county executive is saying while they're concerned, it's not time to hit the panic button yet. Christian Garzone filed this report earlier today.
Locally, we're starting to see our case numbers slowly rise, but they're still relatively low and relatively contained.
County Executive Bello saying he does not want to impose COVID restrictions, but he's still concerned.
We do not want to see these trends continue in the wrong direction.
Dr. Michael Mendoza, the public health commissioner, says our area is actually in decent shape compared to other parts of the U.S.
Nearly 70% of those eligible to receive the COVID vaccine have had at least one dose, and 62% have completed their vaccine series.
Medical leaders at Rochester Regional and U of R are saying the Delta variant is packing a punch across the country, and it's pockets of unvaccinated people behind this current spike.
If you think that you're going to, the route to immunity is through natural infection, you don't know if you're going to be one of those people who get severe disease or end up in the ICU.
The biggest clusters right now: summer day camps, indoor gatherings, and summer parties.
We're worried about these increases in the number of cases in the community.
They say if there was something wrong with the vaccine, we'd know by now. Mendoza saying it's our best bet to end this pandemic. If you're concerned about getting the shot, talk to your doctor.
We have control over what we can take in terms of precautions right now. We have the vaccine. It is widely available.
For News 8, this is Christian Garzone.
Christian, thank you. As of yesterday, over 430,000 county residents were fully vaccinated, and more than 450,000 have received at least one dose. That's 61.5% of the county population.